Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your instructor, Chef Zain Raza, and you are watching my channel, Professional Cooking Course. Today's topic is very important, so I request you to please watch my video till end. Today's topic is how to write the authentic recipes. First of all, I'll define the definition of authentic recipes. The list of ingredients and the set of instructions that tell you how to cook is known as authentic recipes. The trend of market and the texture of recipes and the size of end product is important because the business owner needs profit and no compromise on quality on regular basis because they want to live longer in market. The nutrition chart in recipe writing is important because they show the whole nutrients in the recipe. Manage cost and efficiency. The recipe writing is important because they show the allergies like vegetarian and non-vegetarian. The recipe writing is important because the staff understand how to read the recipes, how to measure the ingredients, and how to cook the recipes. After that, I'll define some components of recipes. First of all, name and title of the recipes. The name and title of recipe is important, and the name and title of the recipe is catching name in market. Second, the ingredients with volume and weight. Because you don't know the volume and weight, so you will disturb the recipes. Cooking tools. Cooking tools like the spatula is in tools, saucepan in equipment, saucepan in utensils, and blender in equipment. Level of complexity like easy, medium, hard, expert level. Noodles making for kids is an example of easy recipe, and poaching of egg is the expert level recipe. I think you don't know about poaching of egg. Poaching of egg is that temperature of water maintained from 78 to 83 degrees centigrade. And time and temperature is very important in recipe writing because if you don't know the time and temperature, chance 80% to disturb the recipe. Step by step connection of ingredients like first 10 minutes you fry the chicken, and next 5 minutes you add the tomatoes, and next 5 minutes close the lid of pan, and next 5 minutes open the lid of pan. After that, precautions and chef tips are very important because it actually means away from the errors. Best tasty dishes are incomplete without mouth-watering presentation. Yield means the finishing at the finished end product. Portion and servings means 1 liter ice cream is enough for 4 persons, and every portion or serving is 250 ml. Benefits of writing recipe. Availability of all stock is easy to ensure that the process is accessible. Costing of food. Food costing is very important because the business owner needs profit and save of labor cost and efficiency. Errors in recipe. This is the end of my topic. So you have any queries or questions, please in description go to and check the description. The soft copy is available in description, and thank God bless you all. Thanks.